Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap review video, I'm going to show you how you can use LeadsLeap to get free automated traffic. So I'm in my dashboard here. I'm in my back office of LeadsLeap. I'm going to scroll down here. Now, this is not something that's actually mentioned in the traffic section. Um, Anything you can do to automate your traffic is really key. So I'm going to go into message followers, and this is a really great little feature of LeadsLeap because what you do when you start to get referrals, they don't have an internal email system where you can email people. What they have is they have a little message like this. So you create your own message. It's totally free to do. And what this does, you'll see here, here are my here's some associated messages from the people who referred me. So these are my I suppose my what you call my upline. So anytime I click on there, um, you can promote your blog, I promote my YouTube channel, you can promote a free giveaway, an opt-in page. I don't recommend you do it straight to a sales page. I recommend you give something away for free and a value, and then from there you can build a relationship by maybe an opt-in form or a free ebook or something of value. But if you see here, just in the last 7 days, I've had 9 visits, and that goes straight to my YouTube channel. So from there, they go onto my YouTube channel, which is here, and then they can watch my videos, and that's how I generate more leads. I build the list and I generate more sales just by giving away something for free. Um, Now, you can change this list invariably, not every day, but maybe once or twice a month. You can change your offer. It goes to your About Me profile, so you can put your website link that you're promoting on there. I point that to my primary business, but it's just a great free way to actually automate your traffic. Now, what LeadsLeap will also do, they will send out your weekly account overview. So they send this out to 120,000 members, but you'll see here that the followers message is the same one there from Santosh, and it's the same one that Santosh has put here. So you also get free traffic, not just from inside the actual back office of LeadsLeap. They send it out to their newsletter of 120,000 members, and then it also gets sent out there. So you're going to get more free traffic as well. So just a little tip there when you're using LeadsLeap on how to, when you start referring people, how to use the followers message. And I've had 94 free visits to my YouTube channel. It's automated, it's ongoing. I just leave it. I come back in here and change the wordage maybe a little bit, a couple of times a month. So I'll say it's 99.9% automated, and that gets me leads, traffic, and sales. It also builds up my watch time on YouTube, my subscriber base, everything promotes it brands me, gets people to know, like, and trust me and see exactly what I'm doing with making money online. So if you're not familiar with LeadsLeap, then it's free to join. Click the link in the description. It's been online since 2008. It's a very recognized and trusted platform. You can get free automated traffic, not just by what I've shown you here today, but there are other methods. The traffic includes buyers. So there's an upgrade option. I'm a pro member, but I started for free, and there are thousands of people that have upgraded. So the traffic includes buyers. You can earn monthly residual income from LeadsLeap as a free member by promoting the affiliate program, and you'll also get free training and support as well. So if you've enjoyed the video, please give me a like and a big blue thumbs up, and that will help me on my YouTube journey, and more people will get to see this video. And click subscribe and the bell icon for notifications if you like make money online videos. Over 260 videos now on my channel. Tools, traffic, training, marketing systems, free and paid, and list building and social media opportunities. So everything you need, like a one-stop shop here on proof videos on how to make money online. If you like playlists, I've organized everything into playlists for you for the different categories. And for the reference to today's video, what I'll do is I've got a LeadsLeap reviews video playlist here. And what I'll do is I will pin that to the top comment below this video. So if you want to have a look at LeadsLeap before you decide to set up a free account, then you can watch some of these review videos here that will be pinned to the top comment in the playlist. So if you've got any questions, then leave those in the comments. I answer all the questions that I get from my viewers. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. And I shall look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.